You were my Mercury, the first small step into the unknown. Just one breath, one spark, but it pulled me from the ground. Your voice was gravity, your silence the sky, and I became an astronaut each time you passed me by. We looked up and I saw you there, in the arc of a rocket in the midnight air. Like Saturn's flame or Hubble's eye, you made the universe feel nearby. Through space and silence, dust and blue, every mission felt like chasing you. You were my Gemini, learning how to float near your heart. Two bodies in orbit, tethered but apart. I try to dock with your soul, to learn your atmosphere. Like the moon pulling oceans, you kept me near. We looked up and I reached for you, like Apollo reaching something true. A footprint on your surface stayed, but I never asked you to remain. You're the signal Voyager sent home, still out there, but never alone. You were in the silence after Challenger, in the ashes of what couldn't be, but even Columbia couldn't end what your memory still teaches me. We build again, we fly once more, for love and stars and something more. You're my Artemis now, returning light to lunar stone. The future written in your eyes, but the past still leads me home. A woman, a myth, a second chance, more than orbit, more than stance. You're the rover tracing Martian dust, and I'm still learning how to trust. We looked up and I still do, every telescope leads back to you. The shuttle may rest, the dust may fall,